That's all uno in it for. Now, I see Bounty Killer do it a couple months ago. You see it? I see Bounty Killer say, hey, no, hurry up and go take on a Viva Vo because at the end of the day, we want to go to Europe and go rate it. You know see it? No disrespect, but we don't sell out. Anyway, we give thanks once again. And then more and see, if more poor people follow in the track and start and stop and start and follow someone and run away. Because you know, what wanna do? What wanna do? And then I say, we don't push phone music on the channel of such either. Other people business and be mixed up. On the channel is just the regular norm like everybody else. You know see, we don't see nothing different. I just mix up. And the same agenda and status code upon entertainer channel. Nothing upon it respectfully or educational, informative or nothing. Me delete all of them and run them way. You see, yes, Rasta, and I give thanks.